Hello, I'm Dr. Rakesh. The main reason we wanted a lift was because we have our parents who are elderly. For them to move about the house, which has 2 levels. Second is even if some of our relatives who are handicapped come, we wanted the wheelchair to go up and down, and we wanted a lift which could take a wheelchair easily. And for these requirements, we were searching for a home lift which will be useful for us. We chose elite elevators for our lift. After installation, the lift has been working very fine. It's very smooth, almost noiseless. We are actually liking it very much. Yeah. The main advantage or what we felt was good about the lift was even though it's a traction lift, the pit what they required was very less, and it was very suitable for our home arrangement. And apart from that, we have a lot of options to select for the interiors in the lift, and we got what we liked. And once we have got the lift installed, it has been very helpful for a lot of people whoever came to our home to move around, to show around the house also. So it is very good. So initially, once the lift was installed, both the service installation technician as well as the service technician, when they came later, explained about the safety features of the lift. The elite elevators, they have speed up to 1 meters per second, but we didn't want that high speed. They arranged it for 0.4 meters per second. Secondly, they explained about the backup power for the lift if there is a power failure, how the lift will come to the ground floor and stay, or the nearest floor, and how the lift doors will open and stay open till everybody in the lift comes out. And they also gave us the contact numbers fed into the phone inside the lift, through which we can contact anybody for getting help. So these are all the helpful features in the lift. So going with the elite elevators, they fulfilled our expectation of what we required in a lift, and it was very suitable for installing the lift for our home. We liked it very much.